Look at the pictures carefully. Tick, check mark, the beginning letter, then write the letter in the box to name each picture. A for ant. A for apple. A for axe. B for boy. B for bat. B for boy. C for candle. C for cake. C for cat. D for dog. D for doll. D for duck.